Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to walk you through a super useful process, how to edit a Canva newsletter template and upload it straight into Mailchimp. If you've ever wanted to streamline your email marketing or just make your newsletter workflow a lot smoother, this video is just what you need. By the end, you'll know exactly how to connect Canva to Mailchimp and how to get your beautifully designed newsletter ready for your audience, all without any confusion. Alright, let's get started. First, head over to Mailchimp. Just open up your browser and log into your Mailchimp account like you normally would. This is where the magic happens and where we'll set up the connection between Mailchimp and Canva. Now, once you're in, look for the menu or navigation bar at the top or side, depending on your layout. You're going to want to click on Manage. The Manage section is a bit like your control room for Mailchimp, where you can take care of everything from your audience to integrations. That's important here because the upcoming steps are all about connecting your tools. Within Manage, keep an eye out for an option to connect applications and specifically look for Canva. You're going to select Connect to Canva. What this does is allow Mailchimp and Canva to talk to each other, so your designs and newsletters flow directly between the two platforms. If this is your first time doing it, Mailchimp might ask you to log into your Canva account and authorize the connection, which is simply Mailchimp making sure you have the right permissions. Don't worry if you need to authenticate or confirm your accounts. This is totally normal and it only takes a minute or two. Just follow the prompts and soon you'll have Canva and Mailchimp linked up and ready to go. Now, if you've already connected Canva to Mailchimp before, you won't have to do that all over again. Instead, you'll just go straight to your dashboard. You can think of the dashboard as your mission control. It's where you can see all the design options and integrations you have ready in Mailchimp. Once you're on the dashboard, look for an option that says View All Designs. This is super handy. It'll pull in everything you've made in Canva, so you can browse and select what you need without switching windows back and forth. It keeps everything organized in one place, which is a real lifesaver when you've got lots of templates or designs floating around. Scroll through your designs until you see the newsletter template you want to work on. Sometimes, if you have quite a few projects in Canva, it can take a second to find the right one. Take your time here. The great thing is you can see thumbnail previews, so just look for the one that matches your newsletter. Next to the newsletter design, you'll see an option that says View Details and another that says Edit on Canva. Go ahead and click on Edit on Canva. This step lets you jump directly into the Canva editor and tweak your newsletter exactly the way you want, whether it's updating this week's content, changing out photos, refreshing colors, or anything else your brand needs. It's all right there, and whatever edits you make will sync with Mailchimp, saving you loads of back and forth. And that's it. Once you've made your changes and saved them in Canva, your updated newsletter is ready to go from Mailchimp, easy, smooth, and totally integrated. So there you have it, the simple and efficient way to connect Canva with Mailchimp and make sure your newsletters always look their best. If you found this walkthrough helpful, don't forget to give the video a thumbs up. Drop a comment below if you have any questions or if there's another tutorial you'd like to see. And of course, make sure to subscribe so you never miss our next tip-packed video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.